I mean, I've spoken at some conferences and done a few other little bits and pieces, but not much. And even just that small exposure, I realize how difficult it is. So why do you keep doing it? What is in it for you?
The chance to do some anarchy. So I never had a conference shirt in the size extra small until it was my conference.
Really?
And then it was ranging from extra small to 5 extra large.
Right.
Swag like onesies for babies, which is really cute. But also more other type of things, like having spent some time living in Kenya and talking to people and learning how hard and disconnected the regular everyday in certain areas from what I'm used to from Europe got me really realizing how hard it is to be part of this if you're not living in a place like the US or in Europe. And just doing a call for paper usually will not get you to reach such people. And so I get a chance to use the network that I built there to every year to fly in speakers or attendees from Africa, from Latin America, from Asia. And this is nice to be able to do this.